I got the positive wire to my positive on my battery and the negative wire on this connector, and you can see the pump moving. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can see it. See the pump moving. So I do this, test the same thing with it on the vehicle. Just cut off an extra connector from the junkyard and did the same process with it on the vehicle. Just simply unplug it. I just simply unplug the harness and plug it into my battery, and the pump moves.